Full service, elite team Zhanyaohas. Welcome to Zhanyaohas, where we have a global team of expert service and installation professionals to ensure every step delivers quality service to our customers. R&D department, gathering industry elite engineers and technical experts, dedicated to innovation in automatic powder coating line technology and new product development. Production department, equipped with international production equipment, complemented by a meticulous quality control system, ensuring every powder coating machine meets high standards. Sales department, we have a team full of passion and professionalism. They are well versed in market dynamics, more customer focused, listen to every need, and are committed to providing tailor-made solutions for customers. After sales department, the after sales department provides professional technical support and service guarantee, and every after sales engineer is a trusted partner of customers. A more sincere attitude and efficient service to respond to the calls of each customer. To help you solve your problems, to ensure that your experience is always smooth and worry-free. Choose Zhanyaohas, and you will enjoy a full range of professional services from R&D, production, to sales, and after-sales support.